Welcome to Central Carolina Community College Library's tutorial for searching the library catalog. When searching for physical materials available in the CCCC libraries, such as books and movies, the library catalog should be your first stop. To access the catalog, go to the library's website and click on the Catalog tab. Here are several boxes with several choices. The first choice is what you want to search, which could be all fields, author, title, or subject. The second box is where you type in what you're searching for, and the third box is where you choose which library to search. The choices are all 3 Central Carolina library branches, each branch individually, or all libraries within our CC Link consortium. Let's do a sample search for the title Dune. To make our search more precise, I'm going to put Dune in quotation marks. I'm going to search all Central Carolina libraries. Among these results, we have books and DVDs. Let's look at the first book. If we click on the highlighted title, you will see lots of useful information like author, date of publication, content, subject terms, and if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see availability information. The availability information is how we find the book on the shelf. The first box under availability tells us which branch it's located at. In this case, it's CCCC Lee. The second box tells us it's a circulating book. The third box is the call number or shelf number. This is important information that we will circle back to in just a minute. The fourth box tells us how many copies the book has, and the fifth box tells us where the book is shelved. The last box tells us the book's status. If you see a due date here, then the book is checked out. Let's do another example of a search. This time, let's look for the subject nursing. I need this book today, so let's choose Central Carolina Lee County Library. Change title to subject and type nursing in the search box. Now we have 94 results. You'll see on the left side that there are several ways that we can limit this search, including picking specific authors, narrowing the subjects even further, choosing a format, by language, or publication date. Just click what serves you best. Let's choose Format Books and change the publication date to the last 10 years. Now we have a more manageable amount to choose from. Let's look again at an example book record. Let's look at the bottom again. It's at Lee, it's a book, and the shelf number is RT 86.54.T73-2013, and it's in the standard shelving location and it looks available. This is what the shelf number looks like on the spine of a book. To find the book on the shelf, write down this shelf number and go into the book stacks. The book stacks have signs on the ends that tell you the range of numbers in each aisle. Choose your appropriate aisle. Go to the standard shelving in the R section, then move down to the RT section, then follow the RT numbers until you get to 86.54. Keep following this pattern until you zero in on the right book. And because books are shelved by subject, you might stumble upon a second book to fit your needs while looking for the first book. If you notice that the book you want is checked out, you can put a hold on the book. To do this, all you need to do is click on the place hold at the top. When you are prompted to log in, the username is your library card number, and just leave the password blank. Then click Login. You will be prompted on the next screen to choose a pickup library. You will be notified by email when the book is ready to pick up. To check your account, you can log in the same way, with the username as your library card number and leaving the password blank. Click on My Account to see your checkouts, due dates, and holds. And if you've searched all of our branches and all of the consortium and you still can't find the one book you need, you can always request the item through the Interlibrary Loan. To access that, go back to the library's main page, click on the Library Loan tab, and fill out the appropriate form. We will get that item to you. Some shipping charges may apply. If you'd like more help navigating the catalog or want to learn more about any of our tools or resources, stop by the library and ask for help. Remember, we're here to help you succeed.